Well, hello. My, it's a fine morning, ain't it? Oh my, it's 3 o'clock already. I need to get going to the new Skanky workshop.
Okay.
Meet you there.
Wait, okay.
Oh my, this looks familiar. Here we go. Oh boy. Well, here we are, the new Skanky workshop. There's Earl now, cooking some lunch.
Moving along in my Chevrolet, poking on a number, digging on the radio. Just as I crossed the Mississippi line, I heard that highway starting to climb.
Hey, Andy's cooking up a little breakfast here.
How we doing, Earl?
Pretty good.
Ready to get started?
Oh, that's the way I like it. Medium well. Oh, man. Well, guess we'll get started on the new Skanky workshop. Well, yes. Anyone, come on over here and sit down. We'll tell the viewers out there all about what we're going to do today. All right, Earl. Well, I reckon this being our first show, we might as well cover the basics of woodworking. I agree. They're very important. Definitely. I can't think of anything more important except for maybe driving a backhoe. Yeah, and safety. 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 Always think safety. By the way, what do I do with them glasses? I woke up in such a hurry. I may have to run home and get them. All right. Okay. Well, there we go. The basics of woodworking. You run home and get those. All right. I reckon I will. Real quick. Well, found my glasses. Hey, Earl. While I was out, picked us up some nice choice lumber. Oh, this is nothing but the best for the new Skanky workshop. That looks like that lowest stuff. Boy stuff. Yeah, we got a real nice piece right here. Good and cured. Now that treated stuff. This is treated stuff. Treated. This is the best. I mean, that there, I'll bet you that cost me half a load of apples itself. I wouldn't doubt this is a fine piece of wood. We can use this to demonstrate our first fundamental woodworking project. That's good work, fundamental. It's one of my favorites since I was yay hot. I'll guarantee. So Earl over here got ourselves some lumber and put out a hammer and a good old nail. I mean, a hammer. Let's see that now. You want to make sure your nails are the right size. You don't want any nails falling out. Yeah. I mean, you got to shove a good big head of your nice spot. Now, safety, safety, safety. You want to start taking your hammer and tapping the nail like so to get it started. Then you want to start whack. come out, not give it a couple more taps. And you want to get it going.
Earl's good. He is experienced. I tell you.
Once you get it past that certain point, it drives like a baby.
That drives like a baby or cries like a baby?
That drives. My mom always said, drive them into the wood.
I don't know, I tell you. She has one of the most smartest mamas I've ever seen. Man, I wish my mom was smart.
That on? It going? Oh. Well, that's hammering, and we're gonna have Andy show you a little bit of sawing. Why don't you come on over here and show us some sawing?
Thank you. Thank you, Earl. Well, like you said, next fundamental piece of woodworking is saw. Now you want to make sure you have a nice sharp saw. This one will do just fine. Now next important thing is safety. So we better safely put these glasses right over here. And we'll just start. Want to get yourself a good bite first. So what you do is you get your saw, and you pull her back. Alright, there's one. Alright, put the ball back in the same groove you just made now. And you pull her back again. Alright, now you're ready. You're good to get going. So you just go forward. Oh man, this is some good wood, I tell you. And forward, oh man. And forward and forward and back and forward and forward and forward. Back. Oh, well, heck. And there you have it. Even the strongest piece of wood will not be able to overcome this here saw. I'll tell you. So, now we covered sawing, and we covered hammering. And let's see, what's the next fundamental?
I don't think there are too many more. Everything else just sort of builds off of sawing and hammering.
Okay, well there's your fundamentals.
I know what. Why don't we move on to power tools?
Oh, alright, we'll go and do power tools today. You know, power tools, well, they're powerful. We'll see you later.
Okay.
Okay, now we're ready for our first power tool. This is what they call a saw. Now you see, the blade goes right in here, and here's your trigger. And that's basically the two main things you need to know, so that keeps your fingers out of the blade. So, in order to operate this here saw, what you gotta do, now all you kids in the home, I'm gonna cover your ears, it might be a little loud. Take your hand, put it right here, it's nicely on the trigger, and just like your gun, give her a pull. She's ready to go. Alright. Now Earl already clamped down a piece of wood for me here, so we're just ready to go. You start off here, get her nice and level. Alright. And you pull the trigger. Please, son. My house before my wife. Let me.
Alright. I'm trying to stop it. Now, this here is your standard drill. It's got a button here, sort of like your 6-shooter. Gotcha, didn't I? I love to play that game with my drill. Although I always gotta think safety. You don't want to draw it out too quick, catch it on your pocket, and wind your pants up. Anyway, to start out, you want to start it at a 90 degree, like this. You want to press down and pull the trigger. Sort of like that. Then you clamp it, and voila! Huh? Look at that hole, huh? Yeah. That is a quality hole in quality wood. Now,
Okay. Now that we got the fundamentals out of the way, it's time to have some fun with the mentals. As I was saying, we're ready for our first project. Earl wants to tell us what we're going to do.
well, you want to go down to your local lumber yard and pick up a nice piece of quality wood and set it down as your foundation. Then you're going to want to go back to your lumber yard and pick up a house.
Now, Earl, can you just pick up any kind of house at the lumberyard?
No, there are a lot of houses that are a lot worse than this one. This is probably one of the best ones out there.
Well, how much would a house like this cost a fella?
Well, a house like this, I'd say, I don't know, it's a hard one. I'd say a couple of fence posts or something.
Okay, alright,
That'd be something good.
alright.
And you want to take it, and you just want to set it on your foundation. Find a secure way to keep it there.
Okay.
Looks like a good one. And then you're gonna want to just put it there, and then you can start adding features that you like. Like I always wanted a tower on mine, so I put on a tower right there.
I don't know who wouldn't want a tower on their house.
I already drilled the hole.
You can go and spot your chickens or whatever, you know. I mean,
You just drive it on there, like that.
all right, very good.
I mean, you got yourself a tower.
All right, so I'll go through a walkthrough of the house real quick. All right, you come through here, the front door, and walk right by little Miss Muffet. That's his wife, by the way.
She's a sweet little
Oh man, sweet as she. Sorry, Earl.
Okay.
So anyway, you walk on through here, watch the mind here, watch your steps. We got some termites. But that's okay. You don't know good how y'all know what termites are about. So Earl, where after the termites are you supposed to go in this here fine house?
Say what, Andy?
Where, once you pass the termites, are you supposed to go in this here fine house?
Well, you can either go two ways. You can either go this way, up to this tower, or you can take a straight route and go to the backyard.
Very nice.
If you do go to the backyard, you can come out the back. And it's beautiful back there. You got the woods, beautiful.
Wow. Well, there you have it. Your brand new house. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I know we did. That was a mighty fun first show, if you ask me. Well, for me and Andy, where's that cruise? Wait a minute. I am Andy. Dang, I forgot my own name.
That's okay.
Time to go home, I reckon.
I reckon so.
Well, see you later.
All right.
Goodbye now.
Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow. There we go.
Bye. see you next week.
Turn it up, Mark. Hold on.
Stop recording.
I'm trying.
Okay. Push the button. No.
Okay.
I was taking a trip out to LA.
Hello again, folks. Hi there. Glad you could join us again. We're here at Menards for our special St. Patrick's Day. No, man, this is windy out here. I tell you. But this is the St. Patrick's Day edition. Special edition. Just for you out there, your viewers. And besides, we decided we need a new hammer because earlier got a little crazy on whacking.
Yeah.
A little rusty.
It doesn't bang right anymore.
So,
Go ahead, Earl.
here we go. We're going into the Menards store here. You know, we especially picked it on this St. Patrick's Day because it's got the nice green stripe. And we like green since we're both Irish.
Yeah.
So, here we
My
go.
family is Irish. They came over to America a long time ago. Probably 13 years ago.
Right, your mom was a potato.
130 years ago, that's what it was.
Your grandma was a potato farmer, wasn't she?
I think so. They
Okay.
came over when they had the radish famine or something
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Well, we'll see you inside.
here we go.
She's all right.
Well, didn't quite work that time. Yep, guy wouldn't let us go in there. I don't know why.
We didn't really like that green anyway.
Yeah.
It's kind of an ugly green.
Look, it's Menard. I mean, they can't even light up the S. I
No
mean,
kidding.
it's not worth it. I mean, well, you know, you take some, you know, you win some, you lose some in this business.
That's how it goes. Yeah. Can't always win.
Never.
So, we're gonna try some other store.
Yeah.
So,
Well, wasn't us in Menard, so we decided to go for the next best thing.
Meyer. No, I was thinking, Meyer, they have, that's the Oriental foods.
Earl, is that you? Is that Earl Chico?
It's me. I just like to do a couple of impressions. That was my Johnny Carson. I loved his show when it was on TV.
Yep. He was a funny one.
Yeah.
You know, that reminds me of our grandma.
Hi there, people.
Hey.
How's it going?
Well, imagine we might as well go and get our hammer replaced. So,
You bet.
here we go. You stop doing?
Yeah.
How we doing? How we doing? Here we are in the hardware department from heaven.
No kidding. I was laughing to just...
Hi guys.
Hi.
Can you turn the camera on, please?
Okay. Sorry. Alright. Well, our friend told us that we need a written permission from the corporate office.
What kind of stuff is this?
I know.
We can't find a single store that will believe us that we bought this hammer here yesterday.
I mean, well, you know, Earl, there comes a time whenever you just have to say enough's enough, admit defeat, and go back to the workshop.
Well, I guess that's what we're going to have to do.